Hello, my name is Gabe with Logan Services. I've been a lead plumber here for 2 years. And today we're going to talk about how to fix a leaking pipe. The first steps after spotting a leak is you will want to go find your main shutoff valve and make sure that that is shut off all the way. And then you want to go to either a tap or a bathroom sink and open up your water. That way all the pressure drains down from your pipes. A temporary fix can stop water damage. Materials best for quick repairs and easy to use for homeowners would be things like SharkBites, PEX, and things like that. They're a lot easier to use and manipulate while trying to repair a leak. You would know that the whole pipe needs replaced versus repaired if you have 2 to 3 consecutive leaks or a bunch of scale corrosion buildup, as well as some older water lines like galvanized. Those need to be cut out of your house. If somebody attempted to fix a leak on their own, you take the risk of flooding your house, creating water damage. And it's not just the water that damages your home. If that water touches drywall, if it touches wood, you're talking about getting remediation companies out there and spending thousands of dollars. So I would recommend to call a licensed professional to fix your leak.